If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet, then every so often, you probably experience cravings for spaghetti and meatballs, or other savory pasta noodle dishes. Unfortunately, a typical 397-gram serving of spaghetti and meatballs contains a whopping 109 grams of net carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a low-carb keto diet. But your spaghetti cravings are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through an easy 3-ingredient recipe for making a delicious ultra-low-carb spaghetti noodles. If you like to minimize your time in the kitchen, then you'll appreciate this recipe because it's really quick and simple. Let's start by taking a look at the ingredients. We'll need 3 large eggs, which contribute a nominal amount of carbs, amounting to approximately 1.1 grams. The second ingredient is a half cup of low-carb freshly grated mozzarella. Zero-carb cream cheese may also be used in place of mozzarella, but that recipe will be the subject of a future video. Factory-grated cheeses typically contain starches which serve as anti-caking agents, so it's best to avoid those whenever possible. Finally, we'll be using 1 teaspoon of carb-free beef gelatin powder, like the one shown here. This will serve as a thickening and binding agent for our low-carb noodles. Okay. Now, let's get cooking. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 177 Celsius, and set our timer for 10 minutes. Now let's mix the eggs and cheese in a blender. Next, we'll add the gelatin and pulse the blender to evenly distribute the gelatin throughout the batter. Now, we're ready to pour the batter onto a silicone liner that we've placed on a baking tray. When pouring the batter, try to spread it evenly over a rectangular area in the center of the silicone liner. Cook times can vary from oven to oven, so keep a close eye on the batter while baking. Remove the tray when the edges of the batter begin to brown. The outer edges may be thinner than the center section, so simply trim those edges if needed. Peel the low-carb pasta off the silicone liner and flip it over. Next, we'll carefully slice our low-carb pasta into individual noodles. Carefully peel the noodles off the silicone liner and transfer them to a bowl. Top the noodles with your favorite low-carb pasta sauce, protein, veggies, and spices, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.